All right, 1280R pulled from storage today. Was in a box. They definitely took on some moisture. Unfortunately, as you can see on the top of the case, there's some little bit of corrosion. Polished it out the best I could. It won't spread at least. But like I said, don't recommend storing them. It's from May of 01. Let's see here. Can we see? There it is right there. 501. It does have the original tag over here. I did use clear Gorilla Tape because it was starting to peel. That's how I usually repair them, especially the ones from like 2009 and up that like to disintegrate from the heat of the light bulbs. Those stickers, I mean. Gorilla Tape works wonders. The clear stuff, anyway. But, yeah. Still a beautiful machine. Still worth keeping around. If it'll focus. Come on. There it is. Original 78 that came with it. I'm holding it because it'll rattle if I set it on top where I usually keep it. But if it'll focus, I'll run it here for you. Such a beautiful sound. Polished out pretty nice. There it is. 1280R. New logo. 5 of 01. Nice and quiet. Have a good one.